Okay, for example 31, we have a figure 5 here. Two paraplates are set a distance of 15 millimeter apart in a vacuum as illustrated in figure 5. The top plate is at potential of 200 volt and the bottom plate is at negative 200 volt. Copy figure 5 and draw lines to show the electric field between the plates and show a possible path of the electron as pass between the plates. Okay, so it said that copy the plates. So we copy the plates here. Okay, so kita lukis balik. Okay, alright. And draw lines to show the electric field. Okay, as we know that electric field, which is E, is moving from positive to negative plate. Ataupun dia keluar daripada positif dan dia akan masuk ke negatif. And if we have a plate, kita akan ada uniform electric field. What is mean by uniform? Dia sekata. So, kalau kita tengok dekat atas plate kita ni, this one is positive 200 and this one is negative 200. So, it is from here, move downwards. Here, move downwards. Right? So, lukislah dekat kita punya plate ini. Cuba jadikan dia sekata yang mungkin. Alright. So this is our E. Ingat, every time you lukis ataupun draw, you need to label E. Alright. And the possible path of the electron as it passes between the plates. So as we know, ini case yang kedua. Kenapa case yang kedua? Sebab elektron dia tak kata pun keluar dalam keadaan uniform velocity ataupun constant velocity ataupun zero acceleration. So elektron bercharge negatif, so dia akan tertarik ke positive plate. So dia akan membentuk a parabolic path. So that's why kita sketch tak semestinya kena betul-betul tepat. Okay, so dia akan deflect to the positive plate. So at the first one dia ialah 90 darjah. So itu ialah kita punya elektron punya path. Alright, sebab dia kata the possible path of the electron. Right, so this is the possible path. Okay, and B, explain the shape of the path, and we call this shape as the parabolic path. Okay, so that is the shape. That is the parabolic path. And C, calculate the magnitude of the force of the electron. So, diminta magnitude of the force. Okay. We know that force, formula yang kita ada ialah, sebab dia ialah plate, F is equals to EQ. Okay. And we only have here, the first one info yang kita ada. So, info kita hanya ada D 15 mm ataupun 15 exponent negative 3 meter, and we have V initial equals to negative 200 volt and V final is 200 volt. Kenapa initial yang bawah, final yang atas? Sebab dia bergerak dari sini pergi ke sini. So dia macam ini. Alright, and itu sahaja yang kita ada. Then we know it is electron, so electron charge ni ialah 1.6 exponent negative 19 coulomb. So kita tahu kita nak cari F, but we already has Q, kita tak tahu E berapa. So we can find E by using formula E is equals to delta V over D. Okay, so the delta V kita tahu V final tolak V initial bahagi dengan D. So V final kita ialah 200 minus negative 200 divided by the distance is 15 exponent negative 3. So kita akan dapat kita punya E, which is 26.67 exponent 3 volt per meter. So we already have E, kita ada Q, kita boleh kira force yang ini. So F is equals to E times Q. So E 26.67 exponent 3 and Q is the charge 1.60 exponent negative 19. Macam mana saya tahu dia ialah 1.60? sebab dia mention electron. Charge electron ialah constant dan kita boleh tengok dekat list of constant dekat depan soalan. Okay, so we will get value here is 4.27 exponent negative 15 and unit for force is Newton. Right, so that's for the example 31.